I knew that cat would have its revenge one day eventually. This panel thinks there is a way to cheat Schrodinger's experiment in order to clone yourself, but it doesn't work, because you will soon see that there are a lot of misconceptions about Schrodinger's cat. So to make the experiment, we will need a cat, poison, a radioactive atom, and a sealed box. Like many of you know, in quantum physics, particles could very much exist in multiple states simultaneously. So let's imagine our radioactive atom is both decayed and not decayed at the same time, red and green respectively for simplification, and we happen to possess a tool that's connected to both the atom and the bottle of the poison. If our tool detects the atom is green, nothing will happen, but if the atom was red, the tool will release the poison. So Schrödinger proposed this thought experiment to highlight something important by taking this setup along with the cat and putting them inside the sealed box. And since in quantum mechanics atoms could exist in two states at the same time, people say the cat is both alive and dead inside the box, which is not really the case. In quantum mechanics, atoms do indeed exist in multiple states at the same time, but that is only the case when atoms are undisturbed. Matter of fact, the moment you try to observe or connect an atom to any kind of device, it will be forced to choose one spot to exist in order to interact with the atoms of the device. So the moment you connect the atom to the tool, it will choose red or green right then. Therefore, Schrödinger's cat cannot exist in two states at the same time. It is either alive or not alive. However, the real mystery here is why the atom chooses red or green. It's a matter of probability for the moment, because we don't know what is influencing particles to choose a certain state over another one. Schrödinger's cat is just a simplified way of describing how particles operate at the quantum level, but at the end I think it derailed a great number of people who think such a phenomenon could exist at our scale. People overlook something really important, which is decoherence, since we or the objects around us are composed of zillions of atoms at random temperatures, and these atoms see around them an insane amount of atoms that vary in size and shape. They shy away from being at multiple states at the same time and choose a fixed spot to be in.